Today we are unboxing the So Superior subscription box for the month of September. In just a moment, I'll go ahead and switch over to our overhead camera so I can give you a closer look at what is in the So Superior box for the month of September. But first, I wanted to go ahead and explain what our subscription plans are for anybody that is new to the channel or has not heard about the So Yours subscription boxes. So to start off with, we offer 3 different boxes based upon your budget. The first box is our base level box, and that is called our So Simple box, and that is $29.95. Our middle tier box is our So Common box at $49.95. And our top tier box is our So Superior box at $69.95. Our subscription boxes are only available to those who live in the United States. We also keep our packaging very simple, just like we do with all of our orders. We just make sure that everything is packaged so that it's not going to rub against each other while it's in transit to you, causing the hardware to go ahead and get scratched. So you'll see that in just a moment, how we package our hardware. Very plain and simple, but it keeps the cost low so you guys can get more inside of your subscription boxes. To simplify the process, we go ahead and pack and ship our subscription boxes at the end of the month, all in 1 week. So if you go ahead and subscribe today, October 1st, don't expect to get your box until the end of October, if not the very beginning of November. We also offer multiple box frequencies, so you can go ahead and subscribe monthly, or you can opt to go ahead and do a box every 3 months. Or if you just want to try it out and see if you like the box before you commit to a 1 month or a 3 month plan, we also offer a one-time box as well. You're going to get some savings if you choose the 1 month or the 3 months. So I quoted those prices earlier in the video, but you're going to save 10% off if you're subscribing to a monthly box, and you're going to save 5% off if you're subscribing to a box every 3 months. Full price is the one-time box. For the month of October, we are offering brand new monthly subscribers who subscribe between October 1st to October 31st, 2023, a chance to be entered into our giveaway, where you are going to go ahead, if chosen as the random winner, to have your box upgraded to the next tier. If you've chosen to go ahead and subscribe in October for the So Superior box, then we're going to go ahead and refund you $20 if you are chosen as the random winner for this giveaway. So I think I've covered pretty much all of the details of our subscription boxes, our plans, and our frequencies, as well as the October giveaway. So let's go ahead now and switch over to the overhead camera so you guys can take a closer look at what we put in the September So Superior box. All right, let's open the So Superior box. As I mentioned before, our box is a simple white box. Sometimes it's brown. We don't do graphics on the outside of our boxes like other subscription companies because that costs money to do. And ultimately, you're just going to be throwing this box away anyways. So I'd rather you get more merchandise inside of your box than us going ahead and making it look fancy on the outside. All right, so to start off with, we have our webbing and our number 5 and number 3 zipper tape. Now, the colors of the zipper tape and webbing may vary across the boxes each month. So this particular box received our Kelly green webbing. This is 1.5 inch wide webbing in our railroad design. We have 8 different colors to choose from. Then for our number 3 and number 5 zipper tape, here are the colors that this box was going to receive. And when I build the boxes, I try to give you 1 to 2 different finishes. So for this particular box, we went with a rose gold finish and a gold finish. And so that's what we're doing this month. So every month I like to go ahead and mix it up and give you guys a different finish. And what I also try to do is to give you hardware that you might use for an entire bag so that you're not having a couple of rainbow snap hooks and then a rose gold rose gold D-rings. I try to get everything so that it's all kind of coordinating for you in the event that you want to make a bag. So we'll go over the rose gold hardware to start. So I'm just going to pull everything out so you guys can look at it, and then I'll tell you what's here. Point out our packaging. As you can see here, everything is divided individually. That way the metal on metal during transit isn't scratching. So that's like how we like to go ahead and do it here for our subscription boxes as well as all of our retail orders. So Hannah, which is my daughter, she hand seals all of these. They don't come in from the manufacturer like this, so we do take a lot of time, and it's important to us that all of our hardware stays protected whenever we ship it to you. All right, so we'll start off with our brand new handmade bag charms. So they got a rose gold one right here. And with our subscription boxes, we tried to go ahead and put brand new items in the subscription boxes before they even hit the website. This is our handmade metal clips. So these are great for slip pockets. They just add a little bit of bling, if you want to call it that, and some sparkle to the handbag itself, and also allows you to proudly display that the bag is handmade. We've got two 3/4 inch strap ends right here that go along with the 3/4 inch hardware I have here. So we've got snap hooks, D-rings, and a wide mouth strap slider. We've got 3 number 5 zipper pulls, and that is our ladder zipper pulls. We have 2 of our magnetic snaps. We've got 2 zipper ends, 5 purse feet. We've got 10 rivets. And we have one of our brand new half moon magnetic snaps that has the wider channel right here to go over the thicker fabrics. So that is the rose gold hardware that was in the kit this month, or I should say in September, because we're now in October 1st. So here is another handmade bag charm in the gold. We've got a handmade metal clip, 2 of them in the light gold, a light gold turn lock, the ladder zipper pulls number 5, and we've got our flower zipper pulls in number 3. Then we have a brand new product that has not hit the website yet. This is our seam gauge. I'm sure this is difficult to see. I haven't even photographed this for the website just yet, but it does allow you to go ahead and measure out your seam allowances. And let me see if I can get it out of the package here. Hard to see the clear. So here is the seam gauge. You can see it there. So that will be hitting the website. Probably see it really good there. Hitting the website probably in the next month. And lastly, we've got a little machine buddy, like I call them. So I put these in all orders. I recommend putting a piece of double-sided tape on the backside and sticking it to your sewing machine. So there you have it. That is what was in the Sew Superior subscription box for the month of September. The subscription boxes are really fun because you don't know what you're going to get every month. It's kind of like a present to yourself each month. You go out to your mailbox and open up your box to see what is inside, so it's really fun. Earlier I did put a customer testimonial on the screen so you guys can check that out. They were very pleased with our subscription boxes, even over other companies, so I don't think you're going to be disappointed. We have been offering subscription boxes for a little over a year now, and many of you have been loyal subscribers from the very beginning. Thank you so much. We appreciate each and every one of you. So there you have it. That is a Sew Superior subscription box for the month of September. I hope I didn't ruin the surprise for any of my current subscribers. If you have any questions on our subscription boxes or the giveaway that we are running for the month of October, please feel free to let me know in the comments box below, or you can go ahead and email me at contact@sewyours.com. Thank you so much for watching.